guys, welcome back to the Gunviking channel. Today we're going to test the Eley Subsonic, the 38 grain hollow point. This Eley has produced good groups for me before, but I don't think I have shot it in this Tikka before, so I'm quite curious on how it will do. I'm just going to start with 7 rounds. I know, strange number, but I had already shot 3 rounds for some reason in another gun. So I'm just going to shoot 7 rounds for prepping the barrel, and then I'm going to shoot some groups. And as I said, I'm using my Tikka T1X with a Meopta Optika 6 on the top, 5-30 by 56. And on the end of the barrel I have a Finnish SAK suppressor. That's an older version, but I like it pretty good. Okay, let's shoot some warm-up groups.
$10.38, $10.40, $1,009, $10.37, $999, $10.51.
It doesn't start too bad. Oh, one more. Let's see if I can put it in the same place.
$10.30.
Let's see, I have to take it, how much is that? About 2 centimeters. Let's see. Try there. Okay, let's go for some groups. Sometimes I find that the prepping group is the best group of them all. So we'll see. Okay. Let's do our best.
$10.29, $10.46, $10.30, $10.40, $10.44.
Not as good as the prepping group. Why? Why is that? It might be because I have no pressure on me while shooting just the fowlers or the preppers. And now I'm shooting for groups. I can feel your eyes watching me. And I need more eyes watching me. Press the subscribe button, press the like button, and do share it with your buddies. And press the notification bell so you'll never miss any videos.
$10.36, $10.20, $10.43, $1,008, $1,009.
It's a shame with the 4th round. But I must say, it's pretty good.
$10.35, $1,003, $10.43, $10.23, $10.25.
What a group that could have been. Well, it's not bad. If I guess, it's a 0.3 or 0.4. So, nothing to complain about. The one complaint I have with this cartridge is that I only bought 1 box of it. And I can't blame Eley for that. I have to order some more. I come to remember, I ordered ammunition yesterday and I didn't order this one. Well,
1011. 1066. 1039. 1023.
That was me. I pulled that one. Oh. I forgot to breathe.
1022.
Maybe I should put up some fun targets. I haven't shot any fun targets for a long time. I think I'm gonna zero it down. Let's see. About 5 to let's see where that brings us.
$10.44. 10.40. 10.20. 10.15.
Again, the one? Why? Why did I shoot that last round? It's 50 feet per second slower than the other ones. Dang. I think I'm going to put up some fun targets and do some fun shooting. The wind have picked up a bit, so it might be a bit more problematic than I first thought. And I can see when I came back to the shooting bench, there is some grass in front of the targets. Well, we'll shoot and see if we hit. I think I'm going to start with the easiest ones, the paintballs. They are 68 caliber, so 0.68 inch. So they should be possible to hit. I think I'll go from left to right. The first one.
10.32.
Oh, I shot down the second one. The splatter took the second one. The third one, I mean. Yeah.
10.36.
Those are quite easy. If you watch the top right side, you can see there is a paintball on top of a 9mm brass. Let's try to get that one. Yep.
10.59.
And now we go for the brass. The first one. Okay, over to the left side. The second one.
10.41.
Third one.
10.53.
See if we can hit the one lying down. Wow, this ammunition is great. Eley, great Eley.
10.46.
Please send me a box of 5,000 to do some more testing, will you? And now I have the 2 playing cards left down there. I can see that they are not exactly on 90 degrees, but we'll see what we can do. Okay, the one on the... You know what? I'm gonna turn it. If you're gonna do this, we're gonna do it right. Whew. Dang, I splattered a paper target with paintball. Oh, it's paint everywhere on the paper target. Well, it's no problem measuring the groups, but it doesn't look good. Okay, it's not 90 degrees, but it's 89. It's good enough. Okay, I think I have 4 or 5 rounds to split 2 cards. Let's see if it's possible. Start with the one on the left. the first round.
1035.
Okay, the second one. Oh, I hit it on the right
1027.
side because it's not exactly 90 degrees, it's a little bit turned. We'll try again. I think I hit it once more.
1029.
Come on.
$1,009.
You see better than me if I'm hitting it. Is this the last one? No, I have 2 left. Please. Oh, I
1031.
touched it. That's somewhere on the paper. Yes, the last round.
992.
The last round. What can I say? Eley Subsonic. This is my new hunting cartridge. No doubt about it. Well done, Eley. Well done. Now, let's go and get the target and measure the groups. I'm really looking forward to measuring these groups. Yeah, let's take a look at the target. The first fowler group ended up at 0.419 inches, which is pretty damn good considering that this is 7 rounds and most of them went through 1 hole. The fowler group number 2 ended up a little bit smaller with 0.400 inches. Also pretty good. Now over to group number 1. It actually grew a bit and it ended up at 0.473 inches. I'm sure some of this is my fault. Group number 2 ended up to be the smallest one with 0.408 inches. And here you can see that 4 out of the 5 rounds are neatly placed in 1 hole. Without that flyer, this would have been a 0.2 group or something like that. Now, group number 3. We have some vertical spread and it ended up at 0.499 inches. And lastly, group number 4 ended up at 0.509 inches. And this is because of the last round. This is not the first time I wish I had stopped shooting earlier. When we add all these together, we end up with an average of 0.451 inches, which is pretty damn good. If I were you, I would buy some of these and test my own guns. The Chrono picked up 46 out of the 47 rounds we shot, and the maximum velocity was 1066 feet per second and the minimum was 972. This gives us a spread of 94 feet per second. Actually a bit high. The average is 1029 feet per second. And the standard deviation is 18. I actually thought it would be lower, but this is what the Chrono tells me. And this was all we had for this time, and I'll see you in the next video.